So now we're going to do back stitch. This starts in exactly the same way. I'm going to start on this side and go forward in a line. You come up, leave a little bit of a gap before you start, because as the name suggests, we're going to go back. Instead of going forward, we're going to go backwards. It all makes sense in a minute. Then we're going to come up a stitch length away. Instead of going forward, we're going to go backwards, back into the hole or as close as possible to the previous hole. Try not to split stitch. Come back up again forward, into the hole, this is a little version of the running stitch, but it fills it in so you get a nice edge. Again, I'm trying to do as straight as line as possible. Going a couple of times, you can see I've gone and split that stitch, which is actually a different stitch but split stitch. Not to worry. Does obviously take up quite a lot more thread than your running stitch. So we are already running out of thread. Just got enough.